Today we're going to talk about the four most common type of home lenders and which one may be the best option for you. Alright, so before we get started, I do want to preface this by saying that there are more than just four different types of lenders, but I'm just going to discuss the four most common types of lenders that you may find when you are searching and shopping around. So the first one we're going to talk about is a mortgage lender. And a mortgage lender is in the business strictly for real estate loans and refinancing on homes. That is the only financial services that they offer. So they don't offer anything like checking accounts, savings accounts, car loans, or anything like that. Mortgage lenders will house their own loans, which means that they will provide the funds for the loan. And they call this in-house lending. And because they're able to do this, they're able to shorten the time frame to obtain a mortgage. So if your timeline is a little bit shorter in trying to purchase your home, a mortgage lender may be a really great option for you so that you are able to close on a loan faster. With a mortgage lender, you're also open to a little bit more variety of different home loan programs, such as a government-backed loan like a VA loan or an FHA loan or an RD loan, anything like that. Of course, your conventional loan as well. So if you're looking for a government-backed loan and you're looking to close on your loan a little bit sooner, a mortgage lender may be the best option for you. The second most common type of mortgage lender is a mortgage broker. And a mortgage broker is a lot like a mortgage lender. However, they do not house their own loans in-house. They are an agent or a middleman between the borrower and the investor. So they have a speed dial of different investors that they can choose to help facilitate the loan. And with that being said, you as a borrower have more options and you can shop around for a loan or an investor that is going to work with you and your terms. For instance, if you have a little bit less than perfect credit and you're looking for somebody that can accommodate that, then a mortgage broker could find an investor that would be best suited for you. Like a mortgage lender, a broker has the option of different home loan programs. So again, if you're looking for a government-backed loan, or you're looking for a loan on a unique property or an investment loan, a mortgage broker will have many options for you. Now, because they do not house their loans, they do take a little bit longer to close. So if your time frame is short, a mortgage broker may not be the best option for you. The third option that we're going to discuss today is a bank. So this could be your bank that you currently have, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, any of the large financial institutions. They offer an array of financial options. Of course, they offer the checking accounts, savings accounts, car loans, and of course, real estate loans. So this is great for somebody who is interested in a one-stop shop experience. So if you want to keep your real estate home loan in the same financial institution that you already do your everyday banking, a bank would be a great option for you. Now, banks tend to have a little bit more conservative underwriting process. So things like a lower credit score or even a government-backed loan may not be a good option because they may not lend on those terms. And the last option we're going to talk about is a credit union, which is very, very similar to a bank. However, it is member-owned, and in order to become a member, you usually pay a membership. But because you pay a membership, you do have more opportunities for lower rates and fees. And they still offer the same financial opportunities as a bank. So if you wanted to have your checking account and savings account there, you can also do a one-stop shop there as well. Now, just like a bank, they tend to have the more conservative underwriting expectations, and so if your credit is a little bit lower, or again, if you're trying to do a government-backed loan, they may or may not be able to help you. So the question is what is the best option for you? And that really depends on what you're looking for, and this will change per person. So if your timeline, like we talked about, is pretty short, a mortgage lender who houses their loans in-house would be a better option for you so you can close on that loan quicker. Now, if you're looking for a one-stop shop, a mortgage lender and a mortgage broker probably would not be a good option. If your credit score is a little bit lower, or if you're looking for a loan that is for a unique property or a government-backed loan, then a mortgage lender or mortgage broker may be the best option for you, especially if your credit score is a little bit lower or your debt-to-income ratio is a little bit higher. A mortgage broker may be the best option for you. Now, if you applied through a bank or a credit union and you were denied the loan, I would definitely recommend checking out a mortgage broker because they could probably offer you different options. Now remember, if you are shopping around for a lender, I highly recommend you do this within a 2-week period. And the reason for that is because anytime a lender pulls your credit, it will be considered a hard pull and affect your credit score. However, if you do this within a 14-day period, with multiple lenders, your credit score will only be affected with one pull. So it is really, really important that you shop around and find the best lender for you. Now, if you choose a lender and decide later on, let's just say a month into it, that this isn't a good fit, I highly recommend that you look around for another lender. You should never feel like you are tied to one lender. Sometimes it starts off great and it may not turn out to be a great relationship, and that is okay. There is no obligation on your part to continue with that lender. You would just find a new lender. They will probably pull your credit again, and so you may get a second pull on your credit report. It is really important that you find a lender that is best suited for you and your financial future. Also, it's important to mention that just because you're shopping around in that 14-day period, you want to make sure that you stay within your home loan inquiries. If you choose to purchase a vehicle or a new application for a credit card, that will not count towards your shopping around for a home lender, and you will get dinged on your credit report for that. So make sure that you keep it as your home loan shopping experience. Alright guys, so that is the quick rundown of the 4 most common types of home lenders you may find while you shop around, and hopefully there's some information in there that will help you determine which one is the best option for you. If you have any questions, you can leave the comments below, or you can call or text me and I'm happy to answer questions that way.